大家好啦，我係Derek 啦，街坊會叫我做Chung Sir嘅。咁我係明愛莫張瑞勤社區中心嘅社工嚟嘅。
I'm Katherine. I'm right now a postgraduate majoring in TESOL.
My name is Wendy. I'm a second-year student in social sciences, and I'm studying geography and psychology.
今次其實我覺得好好就係香港大學可以同我哋有個合作啦。咁其實有一個好嘅地方，我哋天台其實係可以做到一啲嘅天台種植。
I was very interested in farming because I sort of had experience with it because I really enjoy being in the nature, like going around in the forest.
I really want to have the experience to interact with the community and of course farming knowledge as well because it's a whole knowledge system that I can go explore.
佢哋可以過嚟種植啦，幫佢哋可以了解多啲自己啦。其實佢哋過往其實好多嘅經驗嘅，但係嚟到香港城市可能都未必有好多機會接觸到。咁我哋呢個機會其實就可以俾佢去揾翻自己嘅啲過往經驗啦，發揮翻自己嘅才能啦。
In a very crowded kind of atmosphere and environment, so I felt that if I could join this one, I could help more people to feel this kind of feeling, to enjoy being in the nature.
啱啱因為我哋有種得到啲青瓜啦，咁其實喺第一次有結咗果嘅時候咧，街坊都好緊張啊，其實一齊收成，跟住咧一齊去落翻我哋其中個服務點開台食飯嗰度咧一齊去分享啦。即係其實可能好簡單，得個一條瓜嘅啫，一食落去嗰下感覺，大家覺得係好特別喎！原來有機種植係真係咁唔同喎。
Nowadays, we're too ambitious of our future life. So I think being in the moment, enjoying the life in the nature is quite a good thing.
I want to have more experience in doing workshops, in doing like as a role of the organizer. I just get a sense of really just fulfillment and satisfaction by doing that.
大家一齊去煮嘢食，去分享翻佢哋收成嘅成果。咁我見到大家嗰種互相去支持、互相去分享嘅一啲嘅技巧，其實佢哋好享受當中嘅過程，都可以玩到一啲唔同嘅嘢啦，試到唔同嘅嘢啦。咁其實係見到好開心。呢個大家嗰種喜悅就令我最感動、最開心嘅。